Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chigirl Remedies. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to naturally increase immune system, prevent respiratory diseases, reduce blood sugar, and reduce effects of aging, and more, lot of more. If this is sound like what I'm interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Our oregano. People have this in their kitchen, but they don't know the benefit of these things we have in our kitchen. So don't worry, I'm gonna share with you the benefits of oregano. Oregano increases immune system and fights viruses such as cold and antibacterial and antifungal. Oregano helps treat headache, insomnia, stress, muscle pain, and fatigue. Oregano promotes digestion, treats digestive problems. Oregano is a good source of antioxidants which slow the effects of aging by reducing free radical damages. It increases insulin production and lower the blood sugar level. Guys, there is a lot of benefits in this oregano. But this is the cup I'm gonna use to mix it. And this is my oregano. I'll just take 1 tablespoon of oregano. Just 1 tablespoon, and I'll add it to the cup. Then I'm adding 400 ml of hot water. I will just stir it very well. And I'll cover it. I'll just cover it and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. See you guys in the next 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes. So you have to stir it very well. Okay, right now I'm gonna use my strainer. I'll transfer it to the cup. So the next thing we need there is our lemon juice. We just add the lemon juice. And we'll just stir it very well. So guys, at this point you can choose to put honey or you just drink it that way. If you know I cannot drink it that way, you just add just 1 teaspoon of honey, and just stir everything. Make sure that everything is well combined. So for a better result for this drink, you have to do it for 7 days consistently, for 7 good days. You're gonna see the results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember, 7 good days consistently. Here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Just drink it for 7 days and you're gonna see the maximum results. Okay, bye bye.